Severe weather conditions swept through parts of Germany yesterday, bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and even hail in some areas. The storm caused extensive damage to buildings and vehicles, but fortunately, there were no reported fatalities. In the state of North Rhine-Westphalia, the storm caused power outages and disrupted traffic. Many trees were uprooted and branches were scattered across the streets. Some cars were even crushed by falling trees. The strong winds also damaged the roofs of several buildings and caused debris to fly around.
Kom her, Viola.
Meanwhile, in the state of Bavaria, some areas were hit by hail the size of golf balls, which caused damage to roofs, cars, and windows. The hailstones also created hazardous driving conditions, with several accidents reported on the roads. Emergency services were quickly mobilized to deal with the aftermath of the storm. Firefighters worked to clear fallen trees and debris from roads, while utility companies worked to restore power to affected areas. Residents in affected areas were advised to stay indoors and avoid driving unless absolutely necessary. The severe weather conditions are expected to continue for the next few days, with further thunderstorms and heavy rain forecast for some parts of Germany. Authorities have urged the public to remain vigilant and take precautions to stay safe during the ongoing severe weather conditions.